Hey everyone, it's Brandon with Electric Marketing, and today I'm going to walk you through Recharge SMS and how we utilize it for our clients. So, first and foremost, what is Recharge? Recharge is the preeminent subscriptions provider for Shopify brands. They power about 80 to 85% of the Shopify subscription programs. Now, they also have a tool called Recharge SMS. It used to be a separate company that they acquired probably about a year ago now, and now they've internalized it. And essentially what it does is allow your customers to manage their subscriptions via text. So it's a very powerful tool for improving customer experience, but also increasing lifetime value. And we're able to see this because for all the brands that we have implemented it for, we see that if they interact with the Recharge SMS program, they usually have about a 30% higher lifetime value than those that don't. Even if they're taking actions via text that seem like they would reduce lifetime value. So what I mean by that is we have seen customers skip orders via text before, but over the course of their duration with the brand, they're actually worth more than customers who don't. And the reason why that is because they are having a positive experience and they're interacting with the brand. So just because you're skipping doesn't mean that you're not going to purchase another 4 times. In fact, what if you weren't able to skip and that order did come to you and then you say, oh my goodness, I have too much product, and then you cancel your subscription. So really the whole premise around not allowing and not reminding customers that they're on a subscription is a thing of the past, and really putting the power in the hand of the customer to manage their subscription is how brands are differentiating themselves, but also increasing lifetime value. So first, you're going to go into apps and you're going to see Recharge SMS in the back end here in installed. If you don't, you'll just go to the marketplace and you'll install it, but we already have it installed for this brand, so let's just jump right into it. So as it loads up here, you're going to see that there are a couple of different sections on the left-hand side that you're going to want to be familiar with. When you go into the home page, you're going to see messaging insights, which basically just gives you total texts, outbound versus inbound, how people are engaging with the program, and then your existing subscriber flow as well, like your opt-in tools. But let's go ahead and look at the simulator. So this is a great way to see how the program will work for your customers. So let's say I am subscribed to the cold brew on tap 96 ounce straight black. So I will get a text saying your next order is scheduled for March 22nd, March 27th, reply modify order to make any changes. So I can reply modify order, and this will show me how the flow works. So I can either look at my account settings, add a one-time item, skip that upcoming order, or update the next charge date. So say 3. So got it. Before we go ahead and skip this order, would you like to try another product or delay the order instead? So we're trying to get them to make that purchase, and if not, they can just confirm the skip or they can delay. So let's say, okay, we're going to delay 2 weeks. Great. And that's it. So this is essentially a simulation of what customers will be able to do on their phone. Then in the overview tab, you can see analytics at a high level, how many product swaps there were, skipped orders, automated CX tickets, unsubscribes, service opt-outs, customer service cost saved, additional one-time item revenue, how many orders were delayed, which products were swapped the most to, and then just a general overview. And then if you go into skips, you can see the actual customers, or swaps, you can see the actual customers as well, and then which ones ended their subscription via text. Customers, you have your customers, which is just your entire database, as well as their phone numbers. And then you also have your segments as well. So you can create segments that you upload into here to do different tests. But let's get into the actual crux of the tool and where you're setting up most of your interaction. So this messages section here are all the possible responses that your customers will get automatically. We will sort them by usage, and we will only modify the first 20 to 25 because there are almost 100, and a lot of them customers will never even see. And Recharge SMS has also provided basic copy and text that works for those. And so because a lot of people don't see them, we're fine with it not being as on brand. And so we'll typically edit the top 20 to 25, make sure that they're very on brand, and then leave the rest as they may be. Then we have custom keywords. So here we can create keywords with responses. So if somebody says, oh, thank you, you can say, you're welcome. Remember to reply modify order if you need to modify your subscriptions. We could do something like, I don't know, I'm just making it up here, but keyword is you're awesome, and our response could be something else. You'd have to dive into the actual messages a little bit here to create those custom responses, but this is a fun way to sort of expand the program a bit. And then you have your cancellation reasons too, as well as the win-back method associated with it. So you can customize your cancellation reasons. Let's say we want to create a new cancellation reason, which is the product was too good. And then the win-back could be skip order or swap product. And if you go back here, you can see I already have more than I need. Win-back is automatically skip order. So what that means is if somebody cancels in the text flow and they say, I already have more than I need for the reason, we send them another text which says, hey, actually, instead of canceling, why don't you just go ahead and skip this order? Reply 1 to skip instead. And so that's a great way to keep customers on their subscription program. And then if they reply, I want a different product or variety, we give them the offer to swap the product instead of allowing them to cancel right away. Next is products. So you're going to import all of your products from Shopify and Recharge that customers are able to subscribe to. And here you can edit your product titles. You can choose whether you want to do a custom template, like just product title, or if you want to do variant title, product title, or product title, then variant title. Depending on how you've set up your SKUs within Shopify and Recharge, that'll determine how you handle things here. You can also even modify the price. So maybe you want to just have an add-on product that is $15 for Recharge SMS only. You could do something like that here. And then the only other thing to note is if I click on edit, you can say available for add one-time item. So this will make this particular product an option for a customer to add it as a one-time item, depending on what they're subscribed to. And that's what we set up here in the swap groups. So for this particular brand, we're doing it based off of a 1-box, 2-box, or 3-box. And there's different ways that you can set these up. Essentially what it is if you're subscribed to the cold brew on tap, 96-ounce caramel, you can also switch to hazelnut or vanilla. And then for add-on items, you can also add on these particular 4 items, which you can just simply click over here to add in. So if I'm a customer and I'm subscribed to either of these 3, and I click I want to swap, I'm going to get shown the other 2 on this list. And then if I click I want to add a one-time product, I'm going to get shown the ones on here that I'm not already subscribed to. So that's how you can build out your swap groups. Quantity groups here. This allows people to swap between quantities. So if we wanted to say, okay, we will drop from a 96 ounce to a 64 ounce, this is where we would build that out. We don't offer quantity grouping on this particular client though, so we only do the swap groups. Next is settings. So this is where you decide what you actually want to allow your customers to do. So for modify order, we've actually had delay order turned off. So when somebody replies modify order, they're not going to get to see delay order as an option within the text. You can also see account related features, so you can update interval, quantity, or shipping address within here as well, which we could just turn off if we want to. And then concierge features, such as ending your subscription, sending a charge reminder, sending a welcome text. And so there's other things here that you can toggle on and off. So let's say for some reason you don't want customers to be able to end their subscription via text. You can toggle this off and it's not going to show it as an option when they chat in. The next tab is customer service. So here is where you'll select between Freshdesk, Intercom, Gorgeous, Customer, Reamaze, or Zendesk. And you just simply enter your URL, your username, and your password, authorize it, and then when anybody replies something that falls outside of the boundaries of what Recharge SMS can handle, it'll open up a customer service ticket for your customer service team to reply to that customer via text. Then advanced, we typically skip over. We don't handle emails through this. There's a help section, and then widgets. So this is really the last component of it, which is this Recharge SMS. Simplify your subscriptions with automated SMS order management. So you can create a landing page on your store and have this be a part of like usually what we do is a subscription landing page, and then we'll embed something like this into the landing page, so customers can see how they'll be able to manage their order via text, and then they also can enter in their email and phone number if they are already subscribed and want to now be able to utilize this feature. So that's essentially Recharge SMS in a nutshell. We use it for, I'd say, 95% of the stores that we work with on Shopify who use Recharge to power their subscription programs. It's a great way to add an additional perk and value to your subscription program. Customers love to be able to modify their programs via text. And as we see in the data, it's a great lifetime value generator. So on average, we're seeing about a 30% lift for customers who do opt into this and interact with Recharge SMS versus those who don't. And you're able to see that in your Recharge SMS analytics. So if you go into revenue and run a report, you can see based off of the actions that have been taken, how that impacts lifetime value. And pretty much consistently across the board, we see that if somebody takes an action via Recharge SMS, it increases their lifetime value. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody found this useful. As always, you can drop a question in the comments and we'll get back to you, or you can reach out to me at brandon@electricmarketing.com or find us at electricmarketing.com. Again, thanks for watching, and if you're on Recharge, you should be using Recharge SMS.